Good morning, children. Second grade, Computer Science, Chapter 1, the Computer System. You must have learned in lower class that computer is an electronic machine where it works on some instructions. Right, children? So, now today we are going to learn the system in detail. Okay, children? First, when we say computer, there are main two things in computer, that is hardware and software. Right, children? Hardware and software. When we say hardware, hardware means the components, parts of a computer, different components of a computer which we can touch, that is called hardware. For example, this keyboard. This keyboard, we can touch it. This is hardware. Whereas software is something different that we will learn later. Here, one thing we have to learn is IPO, that is input process output cycle. What does it mean? For example, cloths are there, wet cloths are there, that is input. You put that into the washing machine, and it washes, that is the process. At the end you get the washed cloths. Right, children? That is input process output. Another example, orange. You want to drink a orange juice. What do? You take the orange, you peel it, and you take the pulp of the orange and you put it into the mixer and you process it. At the end you get the juice. Juice is output. Like that, input process output. Right, children? This is input process output cycle. Next comes, again in that there are mainly three things, that is input devices, output devices and processing devices. Today we are going to learn input devices and processing devices. So there are many input devices. Few of them I am showing you. Others I will be explaining you. The first input device is keyboard. Yes, children, keyboard. Here, this is a keyboard. There are keyboards of different companies. So each and every keyboard will be having different structure. The size may be same. The keys may little bit vary from one company of a keyboard to another company. For example, there may be a 104 keys in one keyboard, maybe 102 or 3 keys in some other keyboards, some other company keyboards. So totally there are 104 to 5 keys on this keyboard. The longest key in this keyboard is space bar. So there are 104 keys and the longest key is space bar. There are alphabetic keys, numeric keys and function keys. So children, this is how it is. This is one of the input devices. When I say RV school, what I do? RV school. I type like this. This input will go to the CPU and from there it gets showed on the monitor, that is output devices. So this is one of the input devices. Next device is mouse. See children, this is a mouse. Here in this mouse there are two buttons, one left button and right button. This is scroll button. So this is a mouse with which we can use the cursor, that pointer, to wherever on the screen. Right, children? That is mouse. The next one is touch screen. Right, children? Touch screen, mobile you have. On that mobile, simply finger, if you touch the screen, it operates. That is also a way of input device. Next is touch pad. For example, if you see the laptop, On that there will be one small rectangle shape touchpad. That is called touchpad, where mouse is not required. With the touch you can do the things. Next is light pen. That is light pen. With the help of light pen you can point somewhere and you can do whatever you want. Next is joystick. Joystick is, you have to, it is like a lever. If you go to any cyber parlor or game shop where you are going to play the computer games, there you can see the joystick. Next is microphone. Microphone, that is also a way of input device. And scanner. See children, you can scan many things. That is also a input device. You can scan the picture and you can send it to any other device. Next is barcode. Yes children, barcode. When you buy any book or any product in any of malls, you get that product. On that one sticker will be there. That sticker will be having barcode. Black and white stripes. Those stripes are called barcode. What we do, when you buy a product in any shop, they take one device handle and they scan it. That is barcode scanner. That is also a input device. So children, there are totally 9 input devices. They are keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, touchpad, light pen, joystick, microphone, scanner and barcode. So children, these are input devices. Next comes CPU, Central Processing Unit. Right children, it's in box shape. This is the shape of a CPU where normally you will see. Here in this is called the brain of a computer. There are many components inside the CPU. Whatever you do on a keyboard or a monitor with the help of mouse and keyboard, whatever it reflects on the monitor, everything happens in this unit. That is processing unit. It is also called the brain of a computer. In the next class children, we will learn output devices and software. Thank you.